Am I audible? Audible ना नहीं?
Yes, audible.
लेट रे ଶୁଭୁଛି କି? Which of the following options in MS Word is used to open a new file for writing report? Open, print preview, new document, open recent.
New document.
New document, new document. New document option is used to open a new file for writing report. What is the shortcut key to open the saved file? Open the saved file in MS Word.
भाई क्वेश्चन भी रिपीट करिए पहले स्टार्ट हो
What is the shortcut key to open the saved file in MS Word? ଶୁଭୁନି କି ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଭୁନି?
हाँ,
Control O.
ଶୁଭୁଛି।
Control O, बिल्कुल Control plus O. Control plus O is the shortcut key to open the saved file. What is the shortcut key to create new file in MS Word?
Control
Control
N.
N.
Control plus N. N for nose. Control plus N is the shortcut key to open to create new file. What is the shortcut key to go to the view tab of MS Word? Go to the view tab of MS Word. Control plus W, Alt plus W, Control plus C, Control plus S.
Alt W. Alt plus W.
Alt plus W, बिल्कुल. Alt plus W is the shortcut key to open the view tab. नेटवर्क ठीक अछि तो समस्त शुभुछि तो
हाँ शुभुଛି।
शुभुछि तो ठीक. So Alt plus W is the shortcut key to open the view tab. What is the shortcut key to close the current window?
Control
Alt
plus
F.
W.
Control plus
Control plus
W.
W.
बिल्कुल, Control plus W is the shortcut key to open the current window.
Close the.
Close the current window. बिल्कुल, Control plus W. By what name do you know the distance between written text and the core of the paper? By what name do you know the distance between the written text and the core of the paper? Ruler line,
Margin.
margin, बहुत बढ़िया, margin.
Margin.
Margin is the space between text of the document and the core of the paper. Dash adds extra space to the side margin, top margin, or inside margin of a document. ଆରତି କାଟିକି ଜଏନ୍ କର ଆଉ ଥରେ, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ତ ଶୁଭୁଛି. By what name do you, sorry, dash adds extra space to the side margin, top margin, or inside margin of a document? Left margin, top margin, paper size, gutter margin.
Gutter margin.
बिल्कुल, gutter
Gutter
margin.
margin.
In MS Word, how many types of margins are there? 3, 4, 5, 6.
4 4 5 custom को लगे 5 बोधे.
5 margins. Top margin, left margin, right margin, gutter margin. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ'ଣ?
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ମୁଁ ବି ଜାଣିନି କ'ଣ. There are 5 types of. ଆଜି କ'ଣ ବାଇ ଡିଫଲ୍ଟ ହଉନି କ'ଣ, ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ accept କରିବି ଏମିତି?
So setting थियो change करले कि हो open for all कले.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ, ଆସୁନି ଆଜି, ସେ ଅପସନ୍ ହିଁ ଆସୁନି. ଅଟୋ ଜଏନ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ଆସୁ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ. କ'ଣ ସେଟିଂସ୍ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯାଇଛି କି କିଛି ସିଷ୍ଟମରେ?
Sir restart କଲେ ବୋଧେ ହବ.
ରିଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କ'ଣଟା, କିଟା ରିଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବି?
ଆଉ ଥରେ କାଟିକି ଜଏନ୍ କଲେ.
କାଟିକି ଜଏନ୍ କରିଥିଲି ବା, ଆସିଲାନି ଆଜି. ଦେଖାଉ.
Host control option था ना
ହଁ,
कौन
ସେଇଟା
setting.
ହିଁ ଆସୁନି ଆଜି, ଆସୁ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ. ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ୍ ପରେ ଆସେ, ସେଟା ଆସୁନି. ହୋଷ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଆସୁନି, ଆଉ କ'ଣ ହେଇଗଲା କେଜାଣି, ଜ୍ୱର ହେଇଯାଇଛି. ହୋଷ୍ଟ କିଛି ଆସୁନି ଆଜି. ମୁଁ ହୋଷ୍ଟ କରିନି କି, ଆଉ କିଏ କରିଛି ତାହେଲେ? ନେଟୱାର୍କ ଇସ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଟିକେ ରହୁଛି. ହଁ, ନେଟୱାର୍କ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ରହୁଛି, କ'ଣ କେଜାଣି ଜ୍ୱର ହେଇଯାଉଛି. Which of the following shortcut key opens a new blank document window in MS Word?
control
Control plus N. Control plus N opens a new blank document window in MS Word. Which of the following appears as part of the paragraph command group under the home menu in MS Word? Which of the following appears as part of paragraph command group under home menu? Format painter, copy, bullet, replace.
Bullet.
Bullet.
Bullet, बिल्कुल.
bullet.
In MS Word, bullet comes under the paragraph command group in a home tab menu. In MS Word, what is the functional key that opens the save as dialog box?
F12.
F12.
F12, बिल्कुल. F12 shortcut key is used to open save as dialog box in MS Word. The keyboard shortcut to cut something is what?
Control X.
plus X.
Control plus X, बिल्कुल. Control plus X. Which of the following operations adds contents from the clipboard to your Word document? Copy, cut, paste, hyphenation. Which operation
Paste.
adds
Paste.
contents from the clipboard to the Word document? Paste, बिल्कुल.
Paste.
पेस्ट कहीं डॉक्यूमेंट को आणुची से क्लिपबोर्ड रो, तो सेति पई पेस्ट हला. टू द क्लिपबोर्ड ही थांता हेले कॉपी और कट ही थांता. What is the shortcut key to make a text bold?
कंट्रोल बी।
Control B.
Control
Control
B.
plus B. B for ball. Control plus B. What is the shortcut key to insert a hyperlink at the text cursors on current location?
Control plus K.
Control K.
Control plus K. बिल्कुल Control plus K is the shortcut key to insert a hyperlink. अरे गोटे गोटे जॉइन करिवे एंती. What is the shortcut key for go to menu in MS Word? What is the
Control
shortcut
plus
key?
G.
Control G.
अरे समस्तଙ୍କୁ ଶୁଭୁଛି ନହେଲେ ତମେ ରେକର୍ଡିଂ ଦେଖିବ ଆଉ. What is the shortcut key for go to menu in MS Word? Control plus delete, Control plus C, Control plus G, Control plus G plus T.
Control plus G.
बिल्कुल. Control plus G is the shortcut key to open go to menu. Go to menu. While working in a text document in MS Word, which option selects whole paragraph by default when the mouse is clicked? Sorry, question wrong ହେଇଗଲା. While working in a text document in MS Word, we select the entire paragraph by default by dash clicking the mouse. Simple, triple,
डबल
double, single.
ट्रिपल।
Triple.
In MS Word, you can select the entire paragraph by default by
ट्रिपल
double clicking the menu mouse. Double clicking the
डबल
mouse. Which of the following is a pre-designed format of text and color scheme? Template, slide,
Template.
presentation, none of these. Template, बिल्कुल. Template is a pre-designed format of text and color scheme. Which shortcut key is used in MS Word to change the font? Change the font. Control plus F, Control plus Shift plus F, Control plus Alt plus F, Shift plus Alt plus F.
कंट्रोल शिफ्ट
बिल्कुल,
एफ।
बहुत बढ़िया. Control plus Shift plus F is the shortcut key to change the font. What is the shortcut key to align the selected text to center?
Control plus K.
Plus E.
Control plus E, बिल्कुल. What is the shortcut key to move the cursor to the beginning of the document?
Control Home.
Control
Control
plus
Home.
Home, बिल्कुल. Control plus Home. What is the shortcut key to move the cursor to the end of the document?
Control End.
Control plus
Control
N.
N.
Control plus End, बिल्कुल. In MS Word, at the end of the page, any part of which option is used to write the description of a particular word? Footer, footnote, table, endnote.
End note.
एंड नोट
Footnote, footnote.
No.
Description of a particular word କହିଲି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ footnote ହବ. What is the shortcut key in MS Word to insert a footnote? Insert a footnote. Control plus Alt plus F, Alt plus Shift plus F, Alt plus Control plus D, Alt plus Shift plus F12.
Control Alt F.
बहुत बढ़िया. In MS Word, you can press Control plus Alt plus F to create a footnote and Control plus Alt plus D to create what? Endnote. Footnote ପାଇଁ ହେଲା shortcut key Control plus Alt plus F. F for footnote easily ମନେ ରହିଯିବ. ଆଉ endnote ପାଇଁ ହବ Control plus Alt plus D. With which tool you see the synonyms for given word in MS Word? Dictionary, thesaurus, Translate
Thesaurus.
spelling and grammar. Thesaurus,
Thesaurus.
bilkul. Thesaurus is a software tool that is used in MS Word to find the synonyms and antonyms. Oh, MS Word sorry na kono? What is the shortcut key for making selected text subscript in MS Word?
Control equal.
बहुत बढ़िया. Control plus equal, बिल्कुल. एठी प्लस इक्वाल भाबिबनी, कंट्रोल सहित इक्वाल हला सबस्क्रिप्ट. आ कंट्रोल प्लस शिफ्ट प्लस इक्वाल कोन?
Superscript.
Superscript.
सुपरस्क्रिप्ट, बिल्कुल सुपरस्क्रिप्ट. In MS Word, the subscript and superscript options appear in which group of which tab?
Font home tab.
बहुत बढ़िया. फॉन्ट ग्रुप ऑफ होम टैब. तो देखिया को मिले सबस्क्रिप्ट एंड सुपरस्क्रिप्ट ऑप्शंस. What is the blur text image that appears on the background of page of your document called?
Watermark.
Watermark.
Watermark, bilkul. Watermark is the blur text image that appears on the background of the pages of your document. A character that is raised above the baseline and is smaller is known as what? Raised, outlined,
Superscript.
superscript, subscript.
Superscript.
Superscript. When the digit or letter is smaller and higher than the baseline, it is called superscript. When the number of letter is smaller and lower than baseline, it is called
Subscript.
subscript. PDF document or MS Excel sheets can be inserted as what in MS Word? These can be inserted as what in MS Word? Text box, chart, object, smart art.
Chart.
MS Word रे PDF document और MS Excel sheet को हिसाब रे insert हुए. Object, PDF file, Excel sheet or are included as objects. In the equation P square Q is equal to Y, which effect will be used for 2?
Superscript.
Superscript.
Superscript, बिल्कुल. Which of the following can you do to remove a paragraph from a report you write? Which of the following can you do to remove a paragraph from a report you write? Delete and edit, highlight and delete, cut and paste, undo typing, quota. To delete a paragraph from any report, कौन?
डिलीट एंड एडिट
Delete कले पुनी edit कहाँ करियो?
Highlight and delete.
Highlight and delete, बिल्कुल. Highlight करके delete normally जंती हुए.
Highlight माने select करी delete
हाँ,
करी.
ସେଇଟା ହିଁ କହୁଛି ସେ. In Word, you can create bullets with what? Numbers, letters, Roman numerals, all of these.
All of these.
All of these, बिल्कुल. Bullets and numbering are available in MS Word 2007 in which group? Clipboard, styles, font, paragraph.
Paragraph.
बिल्कुल paragraph group रे अच्छी bullets and numbering. Dash feature of MS Word helps to create a list in a document. Word art, scaling, bullets and numbering, word wrap.
Bullets and numbering.
बिल्कुल लिस्ट कथा कहूची तो लिस्ट क्रिएट करे बुलेट्स एंड नंबरिंग फीचर. In MS Word, which of the following options is not available when you define a new bullet? When you define a new bullet, which of the following options is not available? Text, picture, font symbol.
Picture.
Picture.
ଏଠି ତ ଟେକ୍ସଟ କହିଲା, ମୁଁ ବି ଟିକେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲିନି। When you define a new bullet in MS Word document, symbol, picture and font options are available. କିଏ ବୁଝିପାରିଲ?
କୋଉଟା available ନୁହେଁ ତାହେଲେ?
ଟେକ୍ସଟ available ନୁହଁ।
Text available.
Define a new bullet କହୁଛି ତ ଏଥିରେ ହିଁ ଥିବ, ଜାଣି ହଉନି ଟିକେ। କହିବ ମତେ ଆଉ। We can emphasize text in Word using what? We can emphasize text in Word using which option? Word wrap, highlight, indentation, all of these.
Highlight.
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 Highlight बिल्कुल. We can emphasize text in Word using highlight. Which feature of MS Word draws a line passing through the selected text? Word wrap,
Strike through.
strike through बिल्कुल, strike through is a font effect that causes text to appear as though it is crossed out. अरे यार. In Word, MS Word, the feature that automatically detects common errors is called what?
Autocorrect.
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 बिल्कुल, autocorrect is the feature that automatically detects common errors. Which of the following tab stops is generally used to align numbers in MS Word? Which tab stop is used? Center, left, bar, decimal.
Decimal.
Decimal बिल्कुल. In MS Word, decimal tab stops is generally used to align numbers in MS Word. In MS Word, spelling and grammar button is available in which tab?
Review.
Review.
Review बिल्कुल, review. Which in which menu of MS Word the options like insert, delete, convert, split cells are available? Format,
Insert रे
table, edit, tools.
Edit.
Edit.
edit insert रे
Table. Table
table
ରେ
हवा
Table हब बिल्कुल. ऑप्शन
हाँ
हिसाब रे टेबल हब जोटा आसुची इंसर्ट अंडर रे.
हम्म
देखा जाउनी कोन मते आजी.
कला चश्मा टा पिनते केम देखा जाओ
ना हो कळा चश्मा रूम रे काई. In MS Word, which group of menu of the Home tab includes Format Painter, Editing, Styles,
home.
Paragraph, Clipboard? Group कौची को?
Clipboard.
Clipboard.
clipboard रे
Clipboard.
Clipboard.
Clipboard बिल्कुल. In MS Word, dash is used to copy the format of the text.
format painter
Format Painter.
Format painter.
In MS Word, Format Painter is used to copy the format of the text. Which menu is selected to print? File, Special, Edit,
Hi-
Tools.
file
File menu बिल्कुल. How do you proceed to print only pages 2 and 3 of a set of 10 pages? Pages with
माने
option हला print all,
current
print selection, print current page,
print
pages
current
with range 2 3.
print selection
Only
Last.
2, 3.
Last arrange.
Last टा बिल्कुल pages with
Range.
range 2 3. An additional margin that is added to a page layout to compensate for the part of the paper made unusable by the binding process is called what?
Gutter margin.
Gutter
Gutter margin.
margin, bilkul. In MS Word, the feature called gutter margin is used for which of the following? To improve the legibility of graphics and illustration, to manage better document binding, to improve legibility of printed text, to facilitate insertion of page numbers.
Second
Option 2.
Second, to manage better document binding. Which of the following is not a page margin? Top, left, right, center.
center.
Center. Center.
Center. Top, bottom, left and right are page margins in MS Word. Which justification aligns the text of the document on both the left and right margins? Right,
Center.
justify, balanced, both sides.
Justify.
Justify.
Justify alignment joins the text with left and right margins. What is the shortcut key to justify a paragraph?
Control.
J.
Control plus J, bilkul. Which of the following is not a valid alignment option in MS Word? Center, corner, left, justified.
Corner.
Corner.
Corner is not an alignment option. Who shows your position in text? Cursor, cursor, blinker, pointer.
Cursor.
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 Cursor na blinker. ଏଠି ତ ବ୍ଲିଙ୍କର କହୁଛି।
Clicker.
Blinker shows your position in the text in MS Word. What is the minimum number of rows and columns that a word table can have?
65.
What is the minimum
One.
number of rows and columns?
One row, one.
One row and
One.
one column.
Oh, minimum.
Minimum. Which of the following features is used if you want a table's cells to automatically expand to fit the text inside them in MS Word? What is the
Text.
used
Text.
Wrap text.
option nahi କହୁଛି ରୁହ. What is the feature
Autofit.
if you want a table's cells to automatically expand to fit the text inside them? Table size,
Autofit.
auto format, auto fit, table content.
Autofit.
Autofit.
Auto fit, बिल्कुल. In MS Word, you use auto fit to automatically expand text to fit inside the cells of a table. What is the maximum number of columns in a table can have in MS Word?
63.
63, बिल्कुल. In MS Word, you can insert a table with up to 63 columns. In MS Word, which menu includes split cells option? Layout, insert, design, page layout.
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 Layout. Layout. In MS Word, layout menu includes split cells option. Which tab is used to activate ruler option in MS Word? Design, view, page layout, review.
Page layout.
Page layout. Page layout.
View. To activate ruler option in MS Word, go to the View tab in Tool at the top of the screen and select ruler. With the ruler bar in MS Word, you can adjust what? Font, text size, indentation, background color.
Indentation.
Indentation.
Indentation, bilkul. In MS Word, ruler bar is used to adjust indents. There are two types of ruler, vertical and horizontal.
Horizontal.
Which MS Word feature is used to create a document and send it to many people? Orientation, mail merge,
Mail merge.
breaks,
Mail merge.
shortcuts.
Mail